What's up guys, and welcome back to Apple Spot Show, and today we gonna install FORTNITE game. So let's jump right in. As you know, this game got a very big boom in the market, and today I will show you how to get this game on your iOS 11 devices, and you will need an iOS 11.2 and above to play this game. As you can see here, this is the interface of this game. So let's jump right in. For downloading this game, you have to just click down below in the description. The link is provided. Once you are open the link, you will be in the Safari. Make sure you only open into the Safari. Once you get open in the Safari, this is the FORTNITE official link. This is the invite link on iOS. So just tap on the download from the App Store. Once you get open to the App Store, just wait for it. Once you get this, as you can see here, the open is coming. That means I had already downloaded this game. Once you downloaded this game, you will get this logo on your Springboard. Once you are done by downloading this game, just open it, and on this game you have to first log in because this game is a server based. Once you get in the interface page, just tap start and it will start login. For playing this game, you have to make your account. Once you are logged in with your account, just go through the procedure. Once you are logged in with your account, you will get a confirmation letter. Once you get the confirmation mail, then just confirm it and just wait for it, because this game is a server based game and you will be in a waiting list. I'll show you how the waiting list mail looks like. How the waiting list looks like. Once you are out of this waiting list, you will get the mail, and then just clicking on that mail link, you will be able to play this game. This game is awesome game. Just go and try it. There are a number of methods to log in and to make your account, or to link your account with the FORTNITE.com. And once you are done with all this procedure, then you will be able to play this FORTNITE game. So that much for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Please like and subscribe. Peace.